how AI and robots are already shaping your everyday life. Imagine a world where your morning coffee is brewed, your daily news is curated, and your commute is pre-planned before you even wake up. This isn't a scene from a sci-fi movie, but the reality of our everyday lives, thanks to AI and robots. Artificial intelligence, AI, and robotics are no longer just buzzwords in the tech industry. They have permeated our daily lives in ways we may not even realize. From voice-activated virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa, to autonomous vehicles, smart home devices, and even the algorithms that determine what we see on our social media feeds, AI and robots are shaping our everyday experiences. This article will delve into the fascinating ways AI and robots are already influencing our day-to-day lives, and explore what the future might hold in this rapidly evolving field. Welcome to the future, where artificial intelligence and robots seamlessly integrate into our daily lives. You might be surprised to learn you're already using them. Let's dive into 14 ways AI and robots are part of your world. Ever wondered how your email filters out spam? AI algorithms analyze incoming messages, identifying and separating unwanted content, ensuring your inbox stays clutter-free. AI-driven job market. AI has changed the job market, with many jobs being replaced by automation and new ones emerging. While this has created challenges, it has also opened up new opportunities for workers to upskill and reskill in areas like data science and AI development. Streaming services like Netflix use AI to recommend shows and movies. By learning your viewing habits, they deliver personalized entertainment options you'll love. Voice recognition in your smartphone or smart home devices is powered by AI. It understands your commands and responds accordingly, making your life more convenient. Travel booking. AI is used in platforms like Expedia and Booking.com to suggest travel destinations, accommodations, and flights based on your preferences and past bookings. Customer service bots on websites use AI to assist you. They answer queries, provide information, and resolve issues, ensuring you get help anytime. Online learning academy like Coursera, a popular online learning platform, uses AI to enhance the learning experience. AI in Coursera is used to analyze a student's performance on quizzes and assignments, as well as their engagement with the course materials. This data is then used to personalize the learning path for each student. The platform can recommend specific courses or topics that a student might find interesting or challenging. The goal is to create a more personalized, engaging, and effective learning experience for every student. AI in social media platforms curates your feed. By analyzing your interactions, it shows you content that aligns with your interests, keeping you engaged. Increased productivity. AI-powered tools and software are helping us work more efficiently, automating repetitive tasks and freeing up time for more creative and strategic work. Virtual assistants. AI-powered virtual assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant are making it easier for us to control our devices, access information, and complete tasks with just our voices. AI in finance monitors your spending habits. It offers budgeting advice, tracks expenses, and even alerts you to suspicious activity, safeguarding your finances. Predictive maintenance. AI-powered predictive maintenance systems are helping us prevent equipment failures, reduce downtime, and improve overall efficiency in industries such as manufacturing and logistics. In healthcare, AI assists in diagnosing diseases. It analyzes medical data, helping doctors make accurate and timely decisions, improving patient outcomes. Finally, autonomous vehicles use AI for safe driving. They analyze surroundings, make decisions in real time, and navigate roads, paving the way for a future with fewer accidents. Living in the future is now a reality. AI and robots are seamlessly integrated into our lives, making tasks easier and more efficient. The future is here, and you're part of it. And there you have it. Those were 14 ways you're already using AI tools and robots in your daily life. It's amazing to see how these technologies are shaping our present and future. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe to our channel for more such enlightening content. Remember, the future is not something we await, but something we create. Until next time, stay curious, stay informed, and keep your curiosity.